Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you how to set up email to Salesforce quickly and easily. First, open your Salesforce dashboard and click the gear icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Advanced Setup. Next, use the quick find box on the left and type Email to Salesforce. Click on it when it appears in the results. After that, check the box labeled Active to enable email to Salesforce. This step is crucial. Without it, the feature won't work. Once checked, click Save to apply your changes. Now, let's configure your personal settings. Click your avatar in the top right corner and select Settings. In the sidebar, expand the email section and choose My Email to Salesforce. Here, you'll find your unique email to Salesforce address. Copy this address. It's what you'll use to log emails into Salesforce automatically. To complete, integrate this email address with your email client. If you're using Gmail, Outlook, or another service, you can manually add this address to the BCC field whenever you send an email. For a smoother experience, set up a rule or automation to BCC this address every time you send an email to a contact. And that's it. You've just set up email to Salesforce and streamlined your email tracking. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.